What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Noero, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And finally the long awaited tutorial is here. Everyone has been asking about this tutorial after I uploaded pictures on my Instagram page, so I'm also going to link my IG on the description box and everything I used on this tutorial. So this is a very quick style you could do. It would take at least 10 minutes for you to do this style. So if you're in a hurry, if you don't have a style to do and you have braids in the house, this is a style for you, guys. This is a style for you. So easy, so quick, so cute, so pretty. It's just everything. It's just life. So let's get to the tutorial. So you're finishing our braid till the end, and because we're going for the goddess look, we're going to use the Jamaican bounce crochet hair that I used in my previous tutorial for the end of my braid to have the goddess look. It's very easy. You just extend it like the way you extended the braids as you were braiding. So turn the ponytail to the other side and secure it with bobby pins, then crochet the Jamaican bounce pieces through or across the braid for it to look messy. So you're going to have a messy ponytail that looks nice, that looks very cute at the same time.